In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deliver ebook on eBay. One of my subscribers recommended to make this video, how to deliver ebook when you sold an ebook on eBay. So I'm going to make this video. This system I'm using for my past ebook, so I'm going to show what I do when I sold my first ebook. So here, let's leave these papers behind because I'm doing Texas for this here. So I'm in the busy mood, but I want to make this video. Here you can see today I sold one ebook. That's, you can see the date is 18th August, $189 US. Actually, I listed in the .com eBay, so same account I create. You can sign into .com. That's why it's showing $189. But actually, this ebook sold in the UK. But because you listed on that format, it's showing $1.89. So don't worry about that. So if I go to my PayPal account, it's saying a PayPal balance 0. But if you go down to bottom, you can see I received the payment $189, but it's unclaimed. That means sometimes this issue happen with the PayPal. So the PayPal says the payment is unclaimed, but PayPal automatically resolve that issue within the 2-3 days. But if you don't, you can contact the PayPal, or if it's a digital book, so you can deliver and mark as a dispatch, then your payment will be clear. So don't worry about that. This issue don't happen frequently, but sometimes happen whenever the listing error happens. So because I listed in a different format, maybe that issue happened, but don't worry about that. So all you have to worry about how you deliver ebook on eBay. So when you receive your order, go to your order section here, this bar and section here. So all you have to go to my eBay selling, then it's all order, and under the order section you have to come here and find the ebook which sold. Then you need to click this button, drop down menu, and go to this section called view order detail. You can see here view order detail. Now once you open that, it will show this buyer name and buyer eBay ID. Then there's an email address, you can see from here, and there's a phone number if they provide one, and there's a date and everything sold and their address. Because you are not delivering a physical product, only delivering a digital product, all you have to do is copy that email address, and you need to have a private email address. Don't send email through eBay because eBay will block that email. So what you have to do is you need to have the same email as your eBay account. So when you create an eBay account, you use the same email address. So use that same email address and use that format to send the ebook. So don't send the ebook through eBay. Use the email address. And so for example, I using this person is at gmail.com. my email address also gmail.com for this eBay. So I go to Gmail, where I copy and paste this email address and upload my ebook there, and I send it there. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, what you do, copy that email address, go to your email and paste it there, the same email I'm using for my eBay, and then fill the subject, put your ebook title as your subject, then write small thank you notes and say that thank you for purchasing this ebook. I have attached the ebook and the bonus for that ebook, and send it to them. Ask them to provide a good feedback, because this is how I do it and it's working for me. You can see one of my ebook I sold it past month is intermittent fasting formula 150. Again, I sent it through my personal email, separate email, not through eBay. You need to copy and paste that email, your actual email, and you send it through that, and you can see I get a positive feedback from that. So this is how you can send. When you sold an email, you can go to your sales record and find order detail and find the email address and copy and paste and send it to them. And remember that this email address only valid for 14 days. Don't use the email address for any other purpose, only use that to send ebook to them. This is how you can send ebook or through eBay when you sold an ebook, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about that, click subscribe button, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. Also join our Facebook private group and our website newsletter, so you can learn more about money making and money saving and tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next video.